it's spruce material flagpole, just a small spring maintenance that you may or may not want to do. I think it's important for the sleeve because the sleeve and the pole on the ground get a lot of grit, and so we're going to clean it up. Why am I going to use this for a bit of it? Come watch and see. Here we go. So we're just going to take the pole out. You can hear how gritty it is. So we're going to just lay it here. See, there's a lot of dirt and stuff on the pole itself. So then we're going to take off the flash collar. And as you know, there's some nasty bugs need to get rid of. That's the fun part. So then we're going to take the hose. We're going to clean inside the hose, inside the sleeve. Of course, you got gravel, so the water's going to go away, right? Yeah, I think that looks a lot better. So here, just a simple washing. Might take a little bit of a scouring thing just to wipe off any excess dirt and gravel that are inside the pipe. So it's easier to take out, right? So if you want to remove it, the grit that sticks to the pole is a little bit of a pain. All right, so that's a basic spring maintenance to get rid of the grit because it makes it harder to remove if you leave it in. Thanks for watching.